As you are aware, it is for the same reason that the Central Committee has not been able to meet during both the first and second quarter of the year. As that has been always our tradition. Our line from onset to commend the party and the Central Committee for ensuring that our membership remain steadfast and abreast with socio-economic developments in our country. Dr. Kendall, members of the Central Committee, focus. This session comes against another passion failure of much nations when our dictators on social media to reverse and stabilize community, peace, security, and development milestones our party fought for. Now, I applaud the people of Zimbabwe and leadership of the party for remaining resolute in defiance of the opposition's regime change agenda and the worrying levels of self-hate through a sustained call to make our country Zimbabwe ungovernable, saying there was a crisis in Zimbabwe. The crisis exists in their minds. It exists in their countries. The crisis exists in their bedrooms. Mediation to deal with challenges which they themselves have. Currently, summer is about to come. We must now focus on our agricultural drive to make sure Zimbabwe again is food secure. Furthermore, the solidarity existing between our parties and the sister revolutionary parties like the ANC of South Africa can never be shaken by social media. We have elements peddling falsehoods that there is misunderstanding between ANC and ZANU-PF. Hakuna. I can assure you, almost on a weekly basis, currently almost on every other day, I discuss with my brother, Ramaphosa. I discuss with my brother, Masisi, with the Gecko. Before we sleep, we chat. When the last social media insinuations. So they are wasting their time. But we as MPs must maintain our total control of our party's legacy. Ideals mounted on the struggle for the broad-based economic emancipation, patriotism, loyalty, discipline, and forever